This 2017 Ford Transit van is brought to you by Motors Trust. Visit Motors Trust online at www.motorstrust.com to see more pictures of this vehicle or call us at 305-603-8867 today to schedule your test drive. To see all of our inventory, www.motorstrust.com. All of our vehicles are clean titles. Financing is available for everyone. If you have bad credit, we can help. We have over 200 cars, trucks, cargo vans, SUVs available for you to choose. The store is located on NW 27th Avenue. All prices are cash only. Prices financing may change price depending on customer credit. Come to see it. Easy finance available. Instant credit approval. Vehicles go through safety and quality inspections. Free Carfax available. No hassle equals no pressure. Establish or re-establish your credit. Your past will not haunt you here. We accept pay stubs, SSI, disability, unemployment, bank statements, award letters, job letters, and more. Bad credit, no credit, first-time buyer, bankruptcy? No problem. Do you have other questions? Awesome. Let our sales staff answers all. Visit us at motorstrust.com.